Mulai ya. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group, consisting of Adriana, Anur, and Arbi. Here, we want to present the result of our discussion about technology reading with the title, The Impact of Technology on Education at UNES. Anur will read the definition material, and for a positive impact material, Ardi and I will read. So, Anur.
Definition. Technology is the means to provide goods needed for the survival and comfort of human life. It is undeniable that in this era, technology is very closely related to human life. The evident benefits of technology are able to help human work and can make the impossible possible. However, there are also many negative and positive risks that are cause enough to keep self-awareness awake. Various fields of life, from economic, social to educational fields, cannot be separated from technology. The facilities provided by technology are very helpful in the continuity of these activities. An example is in the current situation, where the situation requires many students, especially UNES and their educators, to use technology in these teaching and learning activities. The rapid spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia has prompted the government to propose a rule whereby student learning activities are carried out at home, more precious online. Therefore, the role of existing technology is very helpful in this situation. It does not deny that online learning has positive and negative effects for students. The following are the positive and negative impacts of online learning.
Next. Positive impact. Technology has made student life easy. Technology has made the life of the student easier. Nowadays, students use different software and tools to make presentation and project instead of using pen and paper. An iPad is very light as compared to a pile of notebooks. Serving an e-book is easier as compared to a heavy book. This tool help to generate more interest in studies. There are online libraries which require no physical space. The teacher, students, and research sitting in different parts of the world can access the same online library simultaneously. 2. Easy to store information. Due to technology, data strong has become much easier. It takes few seconds to type or copy-paste various information. A small pen drive can store a amount of information, so managing record online is easier. Computer enable better and strong storage of data as compared to managing hard copies. Digital classroom. Both the students and teachers get benefit through the use of digital board in classroom. Thanks to the advanced technology, we can see the entire syllabus online and then decide which course and subject we should opt for. Interactive digital board can be used by students for drawing figures, making diagrams, doing mathematical calculator. UNES has provided facilities in helping students learning with lecture. The platform provide a forum in practice or in important situations such as collecting assignment and providing learning materials. This helps students who are currently in the online learning stage due to COVID-19. Situation that make face-to-face learning activities must be limited first.
For information is possible. The internet can ensure a sort of numeric information that are now used as often for sharing information are possible just one or two clicks. Post teacher and student are given this technology in education in today condition in very helpful and easy to answer is the life of my life as a medium of learning. Infallible will make it easy for the ten virus in of economics is a beautiful because it can be extended and anywhere for testing is learning. Then the principle of technology has made into more collaboration. There are online for web subject expert and can meet and to listen subject to review the challenge and plan assessment to extend the process of teaching can invite commute on education to teaching different learning principle and of the student every has personal learning style among review and as when pairing and skill can you be done online the is the from beginner level to master level good assignment and sig multimedia expert can tailor what is the learning program to individual learning style and individual modules. Next. Check and technology as formal Dream online education program impossible with us give information education the student and teaching can be part of virtual classroom even in the far away for us other. Some university offer online education program where student and teaching is interact with of the through internet. The as online liberty with book journal and Wikipedia in as the student can use variables like self and the use of the publish. As education, the upload technology is education also provides profit is enforcing the independent learning process and is able to create an open with to what education only for as the direct learning.
Discussion. In your opinion, what is your opinion regarding online learning that has been carried out which has been running the past 2 years?
Answer. Number 1. Requires internet quota and is very dependent of the network. If the network is low or the signal is difficult, the learning process will be left behind, especially if it includes college exams. Second, in terms of social interaction, it becomes difficult because they are used to being alone and rarely socializing with other people. Third, students have difficulty if the course talk are in the form of particles, so they are not understood if they are carried out online. What do you think is the negative impact of online learning so far?
Answer. I do know, Danny, that during this online learning, the negative impact I felt was that I quite felt the difficulty in retrieving materials from the lecture because I felt that if there was a miscommunication, and sometimes it was not uncommon for me not to understand the material given. Communication limited due to the internet network are also a problem in this continuity. So sometimes a lot of material is left behind due to the interruption of the explanation of my first internet signal. So many our presentations. We apologize if there are mistakes in word of or action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Thank you.